Lockly PGD728WMB Secure Pro Deadbolt Smart Door Lock. Your finger is your key. Unlock your door using the built-in advanced 3D fingerprint sensor. Unlike other smart locks, Lockly only uses high-quality capacitive fingerprint sensors which only recognizes fingerprints, unlike less secure optical readers. Lockly Smart Lock can recognize your fingerprint in just 0.46 seconds and unlock your door in 1 second. It's faster than fumbling for your keys. Highly secure digital touchscreen, world's first patented peek-proof keypad, displays an always shuffling set of numbers across 4 buttons and is different every time, so while your access code remains the same, the location of the numbers differs, making it nearly impossible for prying eyes to guess the correct code. Remotely let people in. Used the app on your phone to code your fingerprints, set access codes, monitor traffic and unlock. It can all be done through the app. If you want to program new access codes and/or unlock the door while you are a long distance away from your home, then you will need the Wi-Fi hub link, or if you want to use it with Alexa or Google Home, Wi-Fi hub included. Secure any door with the Lockly, perfect choice for your front door, bedroom door and office door. Zinc alloy built lock with a rust and corrosion-resistant sateen finish backed by a lifetime finish warranty. Easy DIY installation, replaces existing deadbolt with basic household tools in about 15 minutes. Fits both left and right swinging standard doors, 1 3/8 to 2 inches thick. Requires 2 1/8 inch face bore hole. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.